While traveling, whether for leisure or business, can indeed be exhilarating, it also presents its fair share of challenges. From unexpected delays to navigating unfamiliar environments, being adequately prepared is paramount to ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey. One of the most effective ways to prepare yourself for any situation is by packing a comprehensive travel survival kit. This essential collection of items serves as your safety net, helping you navigate through a myriad of circumstances with ease, while providing comfort, security, and convenience throughout your trip. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the must-have components of your travel survival kit, ensuring you're equipped to tackle any challenge that comes your way, and empowering you to make the most out of your travel experiences. So, join us as we explore the essentials that will ensure you're fully prepared for whatever adventures await you on your journey. Number 7. First Aid Kit. A compact first aid kit stands as one of the most indispensable components within your travel survival arsenal. This essential item ensures you're equipped to handle minor injuries and unforeseen medical emergencies wherever your journey takes you. Within your first aid kit, it's vital to include a range of essentials tailored to address various situations effectively. These may encompass items such as Band-Aids for minor cuts and scrapes, antiseptic wipes to disinfect wounds, and pain relievers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen to alleviate discomfort. Tweezers facilitate the removal of splinters or ticks, while personal medications cater to specific health needs or chronic conditions. Moreover, it's imperative to customize your first aid kit to accommodate any allergies or existing medical conditions you or your travel companions may have. By doing so, you ensure comprehensive preparedness for any health-related challenges that may arise during your travels. Armed with a well-stocked and personalized first aid kit, you can swiftly and effectively address minor health concerns, enabling you to fully immerse yourself in and enjoy your travel experiences with peace of mind and confidence. Number 6. Portable water filter or purification tablets. Access to clean water isn't always guaranteed while traveling, making a portable water filter or purification tablets essential components of your survival kit. These items provide a reliable means of purifying water, ensuring you have safe drinking water wherever your journey takes you. Whether you're hiking through remote wilderness or exploring urban areas with questionable water quality, a portable water filter or purification tablets can be a lifesaver. Lightweight and compact, they easily fit into your backpack or luggage, allowing you to stay hydrated and healthy throughout your travels. With these tools on hand, you can quench your thirst without worrying about waterborne illnesses, giving you the freedom to explore confidently and enjoy every moment of your adventure. Number 5. Multi-tool or Swiss Army knife. A multi-tool or Swiss Army knife is an indispensable addition to your travel survival kit, offering versatility and practicality in a compact package. With its array of tools and functions, a multi-tool or Swiss Army knife can come to your rescue in countless situations while traveling. From opening packages and cutting food to making minor repairs and adjustments, having a reliable toolkit at your fingertips ensures you're prepared for whatever challenges arise on your journey. Look for a model with features like a knife, scissors, screwdriver, and bottle opener to maximize its utility. Lightweight and portable, a multi-tool or Swiss Army knife slips easily into your pocket or day pack, providing peace of mind and convenience wherever your travels take you. With this essential tool by your side, you'll be equipped to tackle any task and make the most of your adventures with confidence. Number 4. Portable charger and adapter. In today's digital age, staying connected is essential, making a portable charger and adapter must-have items for your travel survival kit. Whether you're navigating through bustling cities or exploring remote landscapes, keeping your devices powered up ensures you can stay in touch, access important information, and capture memorable moments along the way. A portable charger provides a reliable source of power for your smartphone, tablet, camera, or other electronic devices, ensuring they stay charged and ready for use even when outlets are scarce. Pair it with a universal adapter to plug into different types of outlets around the world, ensuring compatibility no matter where your travels take you. Choose a high-capacity charger capable of recharging your devices multiple times, and verify that it's compatible with the voltage and plug configurations of your destination country. With a portable charger and adapter in your arsenal, you can stay connected, informed, and entertained throughout your journey, empowering you to make the most of every moment while traveling. Number 3. Emergency cache and copies of important documents. Emergency cache and copies of important documents are essential components of any travel survival kit, providing peace of mind and practical solutions in case of unforeseen circumstances. Stashing some emergency cache in various locations, such as your wallet, luggage, and day pack, ensures you have immediate access to funds in situations where credit cards may not be accepted or ATMs are unavailable. Additionally, make copies of critical documents like your passport, travel insurance, and itinerary, and keep them separate from the originals. Store copies in a secure location, such as a hotel safe or a digital cloud storage service, to facilitate the replacement process in case of loss or theft. Having emergency cache and copies of important documents on hand empowers you to navigate unexpected challenges with confidence, ensuring you can address emergencies swiftly and continue your travels without unnecessary disruptions. Number 2. Emergency contact information. In times of crisis or emergencies during travel, having access to essential contact information is paramount. As part of your travel survival kit, compile a list of emergency contacts, including family members, friends, local authorities, and medical professionals. Ensure this list contains relevant phone numbers, addresses, and any pertinent medical information. Keep this information easily accessible, whether it's stored in your phone's contacts, written down in a travel journal, or printed out and kept in your wallet. Additionally, consider sharing this information with a trusted companion or family member back home so they can assist you in case of an emergency. Being prepared with emergency contact information allows you to swiftly seek assistance or communicate your situation to relevant authorities, helping to mitigate potential risks and ensuring your safety while traveling. Number 1. Travel-sized toiletries. Travel-sized toiletries are essential for maintaining personal hygiene and comfort while on the go. When assembling your travel survival kit, include items such as toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, soap, and sunscreen in compact, travel-friendly sizes. These products not only save space in your luggage, but also comply with airline regulations for carry-on items. Look for multi-purpose products to streamline your packing, such as 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner or combination body wash and shampoo. Additionally, consider reusable containers for liquids to minimize waste and allow for easy refills during your travels. Having travel-sized toiletries on hand ensures you can freshen up whenever needed, whether you're on a long flight, exploring a new city, or spending a day at the beach. Prioritize your comfort and cleanliness by including these essential items in your travel survival kit. Conclusion: absolutely. A well-packed travel survival kit is your ticket to a smoother, more enjoyable journey. By including essential items like a first aid kit, portable water filter, multi-tool, emergency cache, copies of important documents, emergency contact information, and travel-sized toiletries, you're equipping yourself to handle whatever challenges may arise. Whether you're navigating through unfamiliar terrain, dealing with unexpected delays, or simply exploring new destinations, having the right tools at your disposal ensures you can stay safe, comfortable, and prepared for anything. So before you set off on your next adventure, take the time to assemble your travel survival kit. It's an investment that will pay off in peace of mind and memorable experiences. Bon voyage! Would you like it? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channels for more interesting and informative videos.